Bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs won 1-0 against Durban City. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bafethu. Yeah, I mean, Bafethu, I'm different from these channels, so I analyze ibhola. I mean, I'm showing you things you ozibonile but ongazithathelanga enhloko. Bafethu, have you noticed ukuthi ama-team aseSoweto abo-referee a-lenient kulama-team? Let's say kudlala i-Chiefs ne-Durban City. Durban City yenza ifoul kokucala, Durban City yenza ifoul kokusi-2, yellow card. Kaizer Chiefs makes foul one time, no yellow card. Number two, it makes fouls to second time, no yellow card. Third time, no yellow card. Fourth time, no yellow card. Bafethu, this thing is not right, Bafethu. It's not right. If you football anyone, that's why South Africa is national team. Angeke iye ndawo. We are being fooled by abo referee nabantu abathenga abo referee. Nama-commentators asupporta. Commentators in PSL, they are not supporting all the teams. They have specific two teams. You can tell a commentator ukuthi lo supporter in i-Chiefs idlala ne-Durban City. You can tell. If Durban City scores, angazi zathi, it maybe it's an offside. Let me check again. Believe. Like what's happening? Even Pirates, Bafethu. Even Pirates, when Pirates play, our referee will always give advantage to Pirates and Chiefs. PSL referees will always give an advantage to PSL, to Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. That's why they are not doing well ku-CAF. You know why? Our referee are not aware ukuthi what's happening. Laba baku-CAF, they are not even aware. That's why Chiefs and Pirates, they don't do good to CAF. They don't. We can argue the whole day. They don't. They only participate here in South Africa because referees grew up supporting Chiefs and Pirates. And no one will say it. Abo Junior Kanya, Abo Punutso Manen, they won't say it because they will be fired. I'm saying it because I won't be fired from my channel, Bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be live tomorrow, Bafethu. I will be live. Danko.